it's Millie. I hope you're all doing well. And today's video is going to be for 4th grade. I am focusing on the 3rd topic of the 1st unit for 4th grade. So I'm very excited to get started. Now, the topic I'm going to be focusing on today is the weather. And the weather means clima. So pretty much how the weather affects us and where we live. Unfortunately, where we live now, which is Costa Rica, there are 2 different seasons or climates or overall weathers throughout the year. The first one is summer and sun, and then the second one is rain and rainy season. So we are used to these climate changes and we know when they occur during the year. We base our schedule on them, we base our activities on them. We know because we're used to them, and that's how it works all over the world. The climates and the weather changes that I'm going to be focusing on are the season changes that occur in upper parts of the hemisphere of planet Earth, such as Canada and the United States, where there are 4 seasons. Those seasons are spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Now, before I show the video explaining some interesting things about these seasons, I want to make a quick disclaimer. I call the season fall. I call it autumn because I have called it autumn my whole life. So that is the season I'm referring to when I say autumn. It is fall. It is the same thing. It is symbiotic. It is the same thing. It is synonymous, the one with the other. So that, just so everyone has in mind. Now, like I said before, we know when a season changes because things change. I mean, when it's summer, we go on vacations and we leave school and we are very hot and things like that happen in the summer. When it rains, we stay inside, we go to school, we do things like that you would do normally in the rainy season. Now, for those of you who don't know, when it snows, there are not many activities to do. It is a little bit more difficult to manage when it is winter. So all of those things are very interesting, and I hope everyone enjoys the animated video that I've included, that I have made, to hopefully help with the explanation of the 4 seasons. The first season is spring. Here are some things you might see during spring. It's kind of an unpredictable time. Depending on the weather, here are some things you might do during the springtime. Next up, we have summer. This is what the weather is like in summer. It's very hot. There are so many things to do during summer, but here are just a couple. Next up, we have autumn. I love autumn, even though the winds are what cause flu season. Here are some fun and cozy activities to do during autumn, even though there are many more. Last but not least, we have winter. Here are some of the very, very cold things you'll see during winter. Here are some fun things you get to do during winter, besides, of course, staying warm. you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and I hope you understood. Every season is very different and is distinguished by, of course, climate and temperature changes in the air and in our bodies, and all of those things affect what we do, who we interact with, how we interact, and what, just generally activities that we do. So, for those of you who haven't seen snow, it's pretty fun. It's a good experience. I would recommend trying out the snow once in your life. And for those of you who haven't seen leaves falling from a tree and, a nice bright orange sky in the middle of autumn, it's very beautiful. I personally love autumn, and I'm very excited for you guys to see those things, hopefully. So thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day.